So when I was printing these earlier, they kept screwing up like right here in this spot. I'm almost out of this stuff, so we go ahead and print it again. I bet you it'll screw up. What it seems to do is like it's not completely warmed up. Like, why do these have little hexagon marks? There you go. It does definitely increase the footprint. There is like a, we could put them on more than one way. Let's see, yeah, see this one's all boogered. So I'm gonna reprint that one. Yeah, this thing took a beating. And that's why I wanted it, because it flew into like a post like this. With these, they like bounced. So, should be good.